Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cece. For those of you that are new here, this is my channel Cece Me, where I talk about lifestyle and wellness. For today's video, I'm going to be recreating this look for you guys, this makeup look. I just wanted to share it with you guys because it's really nice, it's feminine, it's pink, it's just very nice, kind of flirty too. And I don't think it's too complicated. I'm not the best at makeup and I can do it, so if I can do it, you can definitely do it too. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become part of the C Squad and hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. I didn't do my hair on camera, but if you guys are interested how to get type 4 hair nice and slick back, definitely comment below and I would love to make a video for you guys. Stay tuned, you guys, stay tuned, and here we go into the look. Hey guys, as you already know, I'm going to be recreating that pink look, and yeah, so don't mind me. I do have some crackers here and I also have some water because I need a snack. So new products I'm excited to use today. This is one of them. The first thing I'm actually going to put on my skin is the L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. So this is just going to kind of give me a little bit of a glow underneath of my skin tint. I'm just going to apply this everywhere. This is just going to help to give me a little bit of a glow. I just wanted to start expanding my horizons a little bit when it came to putting makeup on my actual face. So the next thing I'm going to put on my skin is the Bare Minerals Complexion Rescue. I'm going to list everything that I use below and link it if I was able to buy it online. So this is a tinted moisturizer. This is by Bare Minerals. It's got 30 SPF, which is really, really nice. See me leaning over, it's just because I'm looking in the mirror. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes in the camera. So this next product is also really new to me. I've only used it one time before, but this is the Clean Fresh Cream Blush by CoverGirl, and it's in the color number 350, the color Flushed. And I literally, you guys, a little bit goes a long way. So it just gives you a nice little blush. I went for a more coral color. Yeah, so I think I got it, yeah. So that's all I'm gonna put on my skin. And I love it, you guys. This is like the simple, like this is like your skin but better, and this is like always what I go for when any kind of makeup on my face. Next we're gonna move into eye makeup, and I'm so happy I cleaned all my brushes, so that's always so nice. Of course, before we do anything, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Girl Pro Concealer. My sister gave me this, so this is not something. I know it looks a little bit crazy, but I promise things are gonna get better. The first kind of eyeshadow I'm gonna use is the Bare palette by Jacob and Eli. I literally just got this off Amazon. And the first color I'm actually going to go in with is this one right here, Meg. It's like this purpley shimmer dark color. And I'm going to use just kind of a fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting this into my crease. The next shade I'm going to use is on the same palette. It's going to be the color right above Meg. It's called Ari. This one right here. And I'm just going to kind of, I think the term is transition shade. I'm going to kind of just put it right here. I'm not going to take it too far into the inner corner. I'm just going to kind of keep it on the center of the lid. This is the kind of brush I'm going to be using for that. Okay, so the next shade I'm going to use, this is Urban Decay Scratch. This was given to me, this was a gift. It is a little eyeshadow pot, and this is what it looks like. It's like a very light and shimmery pink. And I'm going to use a little bit of a tighter brush and kind of just like pat that on the inner corner. It's a little bit more stiff. Pretty pink. next shade I'm going to use is from the Bare palette as well. It's like literally in this line. It's going to be this top color right here, Anita. I know it looks the same as the Urban Decay one, but I promise you it's like slightly more pink. So I'm actually going to use the same brush that I used for the Urban Decay, and I'm just going to go over my inner corner with this. I'm just going to try and pat some on. Okay, so now we kind of got that gradient going. We're going to go back in with Meg, this dark color. We're not going to do a lot, but we're just going to kind of reinforce what we did earlier just to make sure that it's showing up for us. Because we did clock her in to work, so she's got to come in. And I'm just going to hit the spots that I did before, outer corner, and just bring it in to the inner corner of the crease. I'm going to go back in with Ari as well, this one right here, the middle one, and I'm going to reinforce her again. Pretty much done with my shadow. So we're looking like. The next thing I'm actually going to do is use some liquid eyeliner. This is the Palette liquid eyeliner in the color black. I finally got a new eyeliner after many years. Sorry if you can't see, but eyeliner requires precision. So that's what the eyeliner looks like for this side. And now I'm gonna go in and try to tend to match it on this side. I think the key to eyeliner really is taking your time and small strokes. And it also helps if this is like a felt tip, which makes it a little bit easier to apply and get a point because the end is actually pointy. So I do prefer felt tip liners. But that's just really based on preference. So this is what my eyeliner looks like. I like to let my eyeliner dry a little bit before I do my mascara. When my eyeliner dries, I'm going to fill in my brows. And I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz. Anastasia Brow Wiz medium brown. I'm going to take it easy, follow my natural shape. I think similar to when you do your eyeliner, you want to do small strokes. Plus if you do kind of small strokes, it kind of mimics the hair. So it kind of looks a little bit more natural. Okay, so I actually just put on a little bit more of my skin tint under my eyes to kind of help with the fallout. Probably not the right way to do things, but that's why I'm doing it today. Next step is going to be mascara to my brows. I like to use multiple mascaras. I've always done this for a very long time. This came in a pack together, so this is kind of like an eyelash primer, and then you put this on top. So I use both of these, and then I will probably end up using a little bit of this. I like doing lower lashes because it kind of helps just to frame the eye a little bit. I actually kind of feel bad. Well, I don't feel bad, but it's just like I'm not the best at makeup, so I'm just not an expert. But I feel like I know more like about skincare and health than I know about makeup. But I do like to try and work with what I got. I think I'm mascaraed out. I do want to clean up the underneath of my eye, but I'm gonna apply some chapstick. Not really big into lipstick. And then I'm gonna apply my Lori Roberts. I got this from the mall, one of those little kiosk things. Most expensive lip gloss I ever bought. But I do like it. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is hopping. I'm saying now I like it. And all the boys be stopping.